In this video, somehow, I ended up with a early 60s Massey Ferguson tractor. A friend of mine wanted me to stop by this guy's house because his family was moving and selling their farm. This tractor had been on there forever, and I thought I was going over there to, or we both thought I was going over there to work on it, or to check it out, see if it could be fixed, but it turned out he wanted just to get rid of it. And at the time I was like, I don't know, I don't really want this tractor. But I walked in the garage at his place and there was a finger brake sitting there. Now I have a brake for bending sheet metal. It's just a cheap little Harbor Freight thing and it gets me by. It's only a 3-foot, but a lot of sheet metal when you buy it comes in 4-foot widths. So I've been kind of on and off looking for a 4-foot brake. And then there's a regular brake that bends long sheets. And then there's a finger brake where you can take little individual fingers out and you can make boxes with them and everything. They call it box brakes as well. But I'll show you this thing. When I saw this thing, I was like, I gotta have that. And I offered him money, but he was like, I'll give you that if you take the tractor. So that was quite an experience, as you can see in this video, that it was quite a job getting this stuff over. And then I had to take the drag box with it. That thing probably weighed about 1,000 pounds as well. So it took a lot of work to get that stuff on the trailer. And then here, I'll show you this thing, the finger brake here. This thing is made by Shop Fox. I looked it up. They still make them. It's about $3 grand brand new. This thing, and it comes with these gigantic arms with huge weights on them that hang off at the end of here to help bend this. Look how thick this metal is. It's about an inch thick. These individual fingers will come out and you can bend different shapes with them and stuff. This thing weighs 1,300 pounds. So you can imagine what it took to get this thing on the trailer. Oh my good God. So I was able to rig up these dollies I had laying around real quick so we could at least roll it around out of his shop. And then yeah, see, look how heavy duty this is. It'll bend 48 inches 12 gauge steel up to the full length of it. That's heavy duty. A lot of brakes are limited at 18 or 20 gauge steel, but 12 gauge, yeah, this thing's heavy duty. So it's a pretty good score. It was a little taxing having to grab that tractor just for this, but in the end, you know, it's okay. And then I kind of think I like that tractor too. It's smaller than I thought. The guy had already taken the front shovel off of it, which was kind of the part of it that brings money. The tractor's not worth anything by itself. Maybe $1 grand to somebody that really likes that model, but so it wasn't worth me giving any money for it. But a friend of mine, a truck driver, said he found a junkyard that has a bunch of old tractors a few hours from here. And they had some Massey Fergusons out there. And the guy said, yeah, we'll trade your drag box for the front shovel on a Massey. And then I can just get all the hydraulics and everything. He left part of the front arms there and then took the rest of them. So I guess the guy had scrapped a lot of it for money to get metal, which is kind of weird. But that's what happened, I guess. So anyway, so now to the video and get to see this bad boy. All right, here we go. Yeah, somehow I got, I thought I was working on this old tractor, 62 Massey Ferguson. The front shovel's been removed, but I saw a box brake in the shop there, and I was like, oh, I really want that brake. This family's moving. They need to just get rid of all this stuff. And this thing's actually a pretty neat tractor. I was just going to get rid of it, sell it or something. But part of the deal, I had to take the tractor to get the brake. And but it's not a huge tractor. It'd be kind of neat for pulling stuff around. Who knows? But it's actually smaller than I remember. He said it ran good, but he took all the power steering components off where I thought he did, but I do see them here, so maybe they are still on there. It's a gas motor, 62 I think it was. But the brake is awesome. That brake, it's a $5,000, $6,000, $7,000 brake that's in there. I'll show you guys that thing. It's a finger brake. This is a pretty straight shot through here. Good times though, just more junk. He's got plenty of it here. When you have friends that like the same stuff you like, it's hard to avoid junk. Yeah, I get easily talked into stuff. Actually, but looking more at this tractor, this thing's pretty cool. Almost looks like a little hot rod. But Ken here driving the truck, he's a truck driver for a living, so if anyone can back this stuff up and straighten it out, he's the one that can do it. All right.
My good side, Mr.
Yeah. Yeah, suck in your stomach. Maybe I can let go. Maybe we can turn
That's over smart.
You think it? Actually, it might make it, huh? Yeah, I can slide it over, huh?
Yeah.
I thought it was hanging over.
Yeah, you're right.
Get a roller flare head for this thing.
Because yeah, I have one. But we can always stop it, then you can move it over to the other side and pull it from the other side. I can. Let me put your wooden block there. And
okay.
Hook that.
Okay.
On the other side. I'm not going to tear up your cable.
It looks like it's okay. It's just...
Go ahead and loosen it up.
Can you put it in gear? Maybe?
It's just got to roll up on the rock a little bit. Yeah, there you go.
I think that was it. I think I'm gonna run out of juice.
Oh. Well,
do we have jumper cables?
You can push it up.
Huh?
You can push it up on the track there.
Okay. Yeah, I can do that, huh?
that'll make the battery work better on the there. I got the block under here.
Yeah, I was just kind of stressing the battery a little.
Yeah.
You want me to do it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna try it. Trying to compete with that 52.
that front tire's flat. Hopefully this guy knows what he's doing. Front grille is made out of 1/2-inch steel, so it's probably okay. He needs more push.
You gotta push more.
Push.
More.
Turn the wheel more. You're about to hit the back if you can.
That's you're on.
Yeah, we need to get it up here though, huh?
No, just because you got room at the back here.
Okay.
We're on.
Want me to get on the flat?
Yeah,
Tell him to push more.
push a little more. All right, you're on the flat.
Thing's actually kind of cool. Looks like a freaking hot rod. Put a V8 in that thing.
Yeah, I feel old when I come to your house because all the tractors are sitting next door, all got flat tires and.
You're still talking?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the
Sorry, Dad.
Yeah.
Sorry about that, Dad.
All right, let's do a little.
Where's it going?
Backyard?
No.
Not yet. I don't know. That's how I'm doing that.
Where are we going? We're gonna forward? Go to the left.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna try to back it in. So we'll do some. Doesn't seem to be turning jockeying.
He's got the. It's very reduced steering gear reduced. Okay, that's good. If this wheel gets down in the rear, it's where
On the radiator?
it's the tractor version of a 5200. Yeah. Yeah. It's a single zoomie. Yeah, look at that turning radius. Holy crap. Turn it back. Okay. Now, the wheel turns really perfect.
Yeah, I like the steering that wheel.
Electric steering.
Got the group of yo-yos here, so.
Alright, everybody get, you gotta get in the picture.
Oh, okay.
The hills